Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting credentials and files ready. Sign into the same Microsoft account on your Xbox and on a phone or PC so the console can access the image. Next, pick a wallpaper file, JPG or PNG under 4 MB and roughly 16:9 to avoid distortion. Once done, upload that file to OneDrive or share via the Xbox app. This step ensures your Xbox can find and fetch the image without manual transfers. Now you move the file onto the console. Open the Xbox app or the OneDrive app on the Xbox and locate the uploaded image. Use the app command to set the image as background or choose the Upload to Console option. This sends the file directly to your Xbox profile. If you prefer on-console control, go to Profile, then My Content, and find Capture and Screenshots to import the image. Make sure your console is online and signed into the same Microsoft account. Finish by applying the image as your wallpaper. On the Xbox, go to Profile, Customize Profile, and pick Change Background. Select the imported image, adjust crop or fit, and save. If the change doesn't show immediately, restart the console and check again. Sometimes cache delays the update. If problems persist, verify you're signed into the same account, confirm the image size and format meet limits, and ensure OneDrive permissions and network connectivity allow the console to access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.